Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and sa video na 'to, mag-solve tayo ng problem sa calculus which is, finding the center of curvature, at the given curve and at the indicated point. So siyempre, if you want to solve this 'no, kailangan alam mo yung formula for the center of curvature, na nakalagay na sa ating, screen, okey? So, according sa formula, kailangan mo diyan siyempre 'yan. Yung ating indicated point, ito yung given point XY. Kumbaga, yan yung point sa curve. Parang ganito yan, eh, kung ito yung curve, oops, mali na. Ito yung curve, ito yung given point, okey, ng ating XY. And then magdo-drawing ka diyan ng circle, okey. Tapos meron tayong center of curvature, yung ating XY, okey. Ayan, so yung point na given and then yung values ng ating first derivative and second derivative na at the indicated point x, y. Okay. Now, um, 'di ba yung pag-solve ng, y prime and y double o y prime muna, kung meron tayong implicit function, kung sinabing implicit, it is, hard 'no, to separate, x and y, okay. So, ibig sabihin 'no, to find y prime kailangan mo ng implicit, okay, differentiation. Same for the second derivative, okay. So, para maiba tayo 'no, okay, I will find the first and second derivative 'no, by using partial derivatives 'no. Yung sa y prime medyo madali lang, yung sa may, y double may konting twist, okay. Bakit na, first na you have to write the given equation into f of x and y equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin niyan, kailangan yung isang side mo diyan is 0. Whichever yung natira sa left or right na equation or function or expression, yun yung ating magiging f. Okay, so halimbawa, dito sa ating given na x cube, okay, plus y cube equal to 4xy. So, 'pag nilipat mo yung 4xy magiging x cube plus y cube minus 4xy is equal to 0. So, ito na yung ating magiging f, okay, of x and y. Ayan. Ngayon, para sa ating y prime, okay, o yung ating dy dx, yung paggawa guys ng, dy dx by using, partial derivatives is the negative of fx and fy, okay. Na 'pag sinabi diyang, fx, that is the, partial ng f with respect to x. Ito naman, the partial ng f with respect to y. Okay. Now, how about sa ating, second derivative? Okay, okay. Bale yung second derivative mo siyempre is the derivative ng first derivative, 'di ba? So, derivative ng, okay, negative fx over fy. Okay. If isi-simplify niyo 'to, ang makukuha niyo diyan guys is negative fxx over fy plus yx, okay, then fy over fy squared. Sabi ko kanina merong konting twist 'to, kasi baka akalain niyo na yung fxx dito is partial derivative with respect to x and then partial derivative with respect to x, okey? Kung mapapansin niyo, 'di ba yung nasa tabi ng ano, ng fx, fy is 1 with respect to x. So, ibig sabihin guys 'no, halimbawa yung ating fxx, ang ibig sabihin niyan, the derivative with respect to x, not partial, okay, ng ating fx. Similarly, mali sulat ko, dapat ano 'to, xy kasi x 'to, hindi kung y 'to, puwede sign lang naman 'yan, eh, na xy, okey. So, 'pag sinabi namang fxy, ibig sabihin niyan guys, um the derivative with respect ah, to y, okay, ng ating fx. Okay? Ibang ano 'yun, kasi nga 'di ba sa fx natin puwedeng meron pa siyang y diyan. Ito naman puwedeng meron pa siyang y diyan or x 'no. So, 'di mo dapat i gagawing constant 'no, yung isang variable dun, okey? Ayan 'no, so kung meron tayong, f of x and y na x cube plus y cube minus 4xy, okey? So, kailangan mo lang kunin yung values ng fx, fy, fxx, fxy, okey, at the indicated point, okey, 2, 2, okey? So, let's start. Sa fx madali lang 'no, kasi derivative with respect to x na para sa derivative. So, this is 3x squared minus constant yung 4y, so minus 4y. And then yung ating fy naman is ito magiging 3y squared minus 4x naman dito. Okay, how about yung 4xx? 4xx, fxx, okay. 'Di ba yan ay derivative with respect to x ng fx. Yung fx mo ito, yung 3x squared minus 4y. Okay, ito. 'Pag with respect to x kasi guys, ito magiging 6x. Ito minus 4 times, derivative pa ng y with respect to x. Meron pa diyang dy dx, okey. Yan, so meron pa diyang natirang y prime. Now how about yung fxy? So dy naman guys 'no, ng, 6 ng 3x squared minus 4y. O ito with respect to y naman. So 'pag with respect to y, ito, um, okey. So 'pag with respect to y nung, 3x squared, ano yan, okey. 'Di mo siya gawing constant, so i-derivative mo lang siya. Bale 6x, okey. Kaso with respect to y kaya meron ka diyang dx, dy, okey. Ayan, minus kumbaga parang yung kanina lang siya 'no, na 'pag y cube with respect to y naging 3y squared kaso dapat meron pa siyang dy dx kaso nga, with respect to x siya kaya wag mo na siyang lalagyan. Ngayon, 'pag with respect to y ng 4y siyempre 4 na lang 'yan, 'di ba? Okey, ngayon ilagay mo yung point na okey at, 2, 2. Ano yung ating mga derivatives 'no, yung ating fx is 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2. So, 12 minus 8 is 4. How about fy? Meron tayong again 3 2 squared minus 4 times 2. So, again that is 4. How about fxx? Okay, sa ano kasi sa fxx kailangan mo yung dy dx 'no. So, solve muna natin guys yung dy dx. Dy dx 'di ba is the negative ng fx and fy. So, negative fx is 4, fy is 4, so negative 1. Okay. So, dito yung ating fxx 'di ba 6 times 2 minus 4 times negative 1. Okay, 12 plus 4 is 16. How about fxy? Okay, ito na 6 times 2. Ano yung ating dx dy? Yung dx dy mo is 1 over dy dx na. Ito, puwede mo siyang kunin sa 1 over dy dx. Okay. Dy dx negative 1, so negative 1 pa rin siya 'no. So 6 times 2 times negative 1 minus 4. So negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16. So with that, puwede mo ng kunin yung value ng, um, y double, okey? So negative fxx over fy plus fxy, fy squared. Okay, negative, xx is 16 over y is 4 plus fxy negative 16 again, fy is 4 over 4 squared. Ayan. So, magiging -4, 16, 16, so -4. So, y double guys is -8, ayan. So, meron ka ng y and y prime and y double. Puwede mo ng makuha yung center of curvature, okey? Yan, so our x 'di ba is x minus y prime, quantity 1 plus y prime squared over y double, okey. Ngayon yung ating point is 2, 2. So, yung ating x is 2 minus ano yung y prime, -1. Okey, 1 plus -1 squared over y double, so -8. Negative, negative, cancel, negative. So, minus pa rin. 2 minus ito magiging 2 over 8. 8 times 2, 16 minus 2, 14. 14 over 8. Okay, or this is 7 over 4. How about yung ating y? Okay, meron tayong y plus 1 plus y prime squared over y double. Okay? Yan. So, yung ating y is at, okay, 2 plus 1 plus -1 squared over -8. Okay? So, 2 minus 2 over 8. So, same lang 'to 'no, 14 over 8 or 7 over 4. Okay? So, therefore, yung ating, center of curvature is at the point 7, 4, 7, 4. Okay? So, yan yung ating sagot or final answer. Ayan. So, I hope, nakuha niyo yung ating solution and may natutunan kayo. Alright. So, thank you guys for watching and, see you sa ating next na video.